Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll create an Instagram bot that will boost our accounts followers. What we'll do is we will open some random hashtags and we'll like the post of people, random people, and we will follow them. So the chances of them following us back is more. So by that we will increase our followers and we'll do this all in Python. So first we'll open our CMD and install a Selenium module. Pip install. You just have to write SELENIUM and hit enter. It will install as the module. Then you have to open Chrome and you have to download a Chrome driver. I will give this link in the description. So you just have to install according to your Chrome version, and after you have installed that, you will get this Chrome driver executable file, and you have to put this executable file in a folder called instabot. I have created an instabot folder where I will write my Python code. Now I will write my Python code in a Selenium, in Sublime Text 3. So the first line code is we have to import few modules from Selenium. We have to import WebDriver, and we have to create a variable called browser, and in this browser we will write WebDriver dot Chrome with a capital C. So this browser variable, with this browser variable we can do operations on Chrome, our Chrome website, the Chrome browser. So we will open our Chrome and we'll log into our Instagram. So the main things we have to do is just analyze. We'll go to the login page. Where is the login page? Yeah. So this is the login page. We have to enter our username and password using Python. So first we'll copy this link and we'll keep this aside, and we will open the Instagram website from our code. So what we'll do is we will write browser.get, and inside this get we will paste our code. So that's it. So when we save and when we run this, it will open our Chrome browser with that link. So yeah, it did take a while, but it opened that same website. Now what we have to do is the next task is to enter the username and password. So I will create another file. I will save this as login.py. I will create a variable user name is equal to I have an account for this YouTube channel in Instagram called _programmer, and you have to give the password as well inside this. Then go to our bot file. Now we will create a function on the top called login, log, logg, and we have to we'll import our username and password from our login.py. Don't forget to save that login.py. So we will import login, right? So the username is equal to, okay, we already have username in our login.py. So what we have to do is we will analyze manually. Right click on this website and click on inspect. Now click on this cursor and click on the phone number or email area. So if you will see that in the right side HTML code has been highlighted. Just right click on that code and click on copy and click on copy XPath. Now what you have to do is you have to write browser dot find underscore element underscore by XPath, and you have to open a parenthesis. Now within the single quotes you have to paste that code that you had copied I will open this, and in the end you have to write dot send hyphen keys open parenthesis, and within this write login dot username. That's it. So what it will do is it will open the Chrome browser for us, and it will enter the username automatically. Similarly for password, we have to copy the XPath. So we have to click on the cursor and click on password field, then copy the highlighted text as copy XPath. Then do the same thing, exact same thing. Browser dot find element by XPath open parenthesis within single quote space that code, and at the end dot send keys open parenthesis login dot password. That's it. And we have to enter the login button here, right, to go to the next page. So we will find the XPath of this login button. The button is here. So what we'll click on, right click on this button, we will copy the XPath, and we'll do the same thing. Browser dot find element by XPath open parenthesis within single quote paste that code, and dot click. To click the button you just have to put dot click and open and close parenthesis. That's it. Now this is the main method. This code will run first. It will open our Instagram login page, and it will we have to call log function. After we are getting the link, we have to put this to sleep. So first we will have to import something called import time. This time is a built-in module. Now you have to give time.sleep so that it waits till the website is being loaded. So we will put to sleep for 2 seconds, and so we will save this and we'll run and see. So Chrome is opened, the link is opened, the input has been given, login page. So yeah, the login was successful. Now next what we have to do is we have to click on not now, right? So we will right click on this not now, we'll click on inspect element, and then we will click on the cursor, we'll come to not now. This button is being highlighted, just copy this button as copy XPath. That's it. We'll close this now. Now the login function is over. Next we have to create a function called def notification. The notification is being opened, right? To close this notification, we'll create a function called def noti. And what we have to do is browser dot same thing, find element by XPath open parenthesis single quotes paste that code dot click. We have to click that button. That's it. So what we will do is, after we have called this login page, before calling this notification, we will put this time dot sleep so that it sleeps till the website is being loaded for 2 seconds, and then we will call our noti function. So I will give spaces here so that it looks neat. So we will save this and we will run. So the Chrome will open, the website is being opened, the data has been given, and not now has been clicked. So yeah, that was successfully done. So next we have to enter the hashtag. Let's say I write Chennai because I am from Chennai, the hashtag form, and I will open this first one. So what I see is we have top posts here and most recent posts here. So our intention is to click posts that are which are very recent, which have less likes. So what we'll do is we will copy this code, and if you see that after tags, whatever code you put, that's the hashtag. So no need to give the data inside this search box. You just have to pass the link. So we'll copy this link and we will create another function def. We will name this as likes. Open this website, right? Browser dot get this within the single quotes. You have to put this link. It's a nice hashtag link, and then we will open this website. We have to go to the most recent. We'll right click on this most recent first post. We'll select inspect element. Okay, it's not been highlighted, so we'll click on the cursor. We will click on this post. So we see that inside this div class the post has been given. So we will right click on this. We will copy the XPath. So what will happen is it will open this post. So we will write the code first. Okay. Browser dot find element by XPath, the first most recent within single quotes, the first most recent code, and click on that within parameters. And then what we'll have to do, we have to enter like and follow button, right? We have to enter this like and follow button, and then we have to enter this next post. So we will see the XPath of that. First we'll have to enter the like. So it's in the span tag or the button. Click on the button and copy the XPath. And same procedure for everything. If you see in other videos or other tutorials, they will have different codes, but I'm using just one code: browser.findElement by XPath. Browser.findElement by XPath, single quotes, give that code, paste that code, dot click, and parameters. Then we have to click on the follow, right? We will see the XPath of that follow. It's here. Right click on this, copy the XPath and paste it. Browser dot find element by XPath, paste and click on that. Then we have to move to the next post. So we have to click this arrow. So we'll find the XPath of this arrow. It's here. So we'll right click on this, copy XPath. The same thing. That's it. Browser dot find element by XPath, paste that code and give dot click. Now I'll open the Sublime text. Let's see if this works. So we have to call this likes function too. So after notification, it will move to a new web page. So we'll put this to sleep for a few while. Time dot sleep, and we will call our likes function. Now we'll save this. Now we have to put a loop for this on our choice. So what we'll do is we will let's say for I in range, I will give for 3 posts for now, and these codes will run 5 times. What is being opened? Let's see. We'll save this and we'll run. So it will log in. It will close the notification. It will open the hashtag website link and it will like the posts. So we see that the post is not being liked by the Python. So what we'll do, once we have opened the first post, we'll put this to sleep for 1 second till it gets opened. For 1 second or 2 seconds. 2 seconds is better, I guess. Okay, so we have made a mistake here. We will put this code outside. Yeah, here. only the post should be liked 3 times now. So it will sleep and it will run now. It's little complicated, but if you understand, it's easy. We just use one code, try an element by XPath, while there are different codes to use. First post is like second post is like third post. It's also been like, so that was successful. Now what we'll do is we'll create a list here. Let's say hashtag hash say SHTAG, and we will give our choices. Let's say Chennai. Then we'll write Python, and let's say we'll write beach. We'll write sunset, and you can give your own hashtags to be like. Now in this range, I will give 5. So what will happen is we'll create a loop for k in a, for k in hashtag. We'll give this indentation properly, and let's see if this works. Now instead of Chennai, we will close this single quotes. We'll add, we'll delete this Chennai. We will add k, and we'll put plus, and we'll give a single quote here. So this hashtag link will work for Chennai, Python, and Sunset automatically. Then it will open the first post. Then it will like 5 other posts. So that's what we are doing. Let's see if this works. So this is the final execution. I hope so. If any error occurs, we'll have to change some code. That's it. So first like, second like. So it enters the follow button and like button as well. And the second hashtag is being opened. So till now, the code is running smoothly. Yep, it's going smooth. You can increase the number of posts in the for loop number. So that's it. It worked perfectly. So sometimes when you execute it again, let's say we'll execute this again. So in this case, we got a notification that this has been already followed. Do you want to unfollow or not? So this will cause a stoppage in the program. So what we'll do is we will add a try catch block here. So we will add a try except. So if we get an error in this follow button, we'll expect something except. So what we'll have to do is we'll just have to, where is that? Yeah, we'll right click on this cancel. We'll find the Xcode of this cancel. So the button is here. We will copy this X path and we will write the code. It's a little messy here. So we'll write the code browser dot find element by XPath. We will paste the code and we will hit click. So we will copy this, cut this, and we will paste it here. So the error will happen because of this code, because it is not being found. So we will click on the cancel button and we will paste this code here again, and it will run again. So hope you have understood this program and you really enjoyed this coding. So that's it for today. Happy coding.